Okay, we are just about at our subject property. We stop for a potty break. You can do this too. It's easy. You walk the neighborhood and you find properties that your rehabber would be interested in. Show you the neighborhood. It's vacant right here, but this will be our subject property. Notice the condition of this property. Looks like it needs fix-up. My rehabber would be very interested, I think. So right now we are facing north, and let's see what is to the west. Okay, there is a Acme Sign Company right there, commercial. As we look at the subject property and pan over, residential. We call this mixed use. So there we are to the west, down there, about 4 miles, 5 miles, is the Pacific Ocean. Santa Monica, Venice Beach, commercial property, close to the beach, near commercial. This could be commercial, don't know the zoning yet. And what is to the south? Let's look to the south, which is across the street. There is a auto shop, commercial. And over there, the corner, see that sign over there and all that? That is a market. So we're in a neighborhood where we have mixed use, we have everything. So this would be really great for a rehabber to know all this information, because they're going to want to know. So when you look at a subject property, show your rehabber. They want to know the front of the building. Look to your left. What's down the street that way? Show them. Look to your right. What's down the street that way? And they want to know what's across the street. Okay. Come here, Moke. I'm Lois. This is Mocha. He's got his bow tie on. Where's your bow tie, Moke? There it is. Kind of silly. Anyway, I'm the bird. Mocha's the dog. In this case, we are bird dog. This is the bird dog strategy.